Welcome to the world of super cool marketing, where affiliate marketing reigns supreme, a realm of strategy and success. This is the place where we break down the art of affiliate marketing into digestible bites. We delve into the how, why, and what, giving you the tools to make your mark in the digital marketplace. From the basics of setting up your affiliate marketing platform to mastering the advanced techniques, we leave no stone unturned. We provide you with the keys to unlock the potential of passive income, helping you navigate the intricate web of affiliate marketing. Get ready to embark on a journey to financial freedom where the only limit is your ambition. Every day we're crafting new ways to monetize your passions. Join us as we explore the limitless possibilities of affiliate marketing. Remember, in the world of affiliate marketing, knowledge is power and power is profit. Welcome aboard and prepare for a journey like no other, and make sure you subscribe so you are sure not to miss any of my new videos.